Nuts and seed pods are some of my favorite subjects. I've been drawing them for years. Here's a nutmeg and mace that I did in the tropics many years ago. And whenever I go places, I collect seed pods. So in the east coast of the United States right now, it's the end of fall, and I take my cue from the squirrels and I start collecting any kind of nut, seed pod, pine cone that I can find, so that I'll have lots to draw in the winter months. And I invite you, wherever you are in the world, to do the same thing. So let's see some of the things I have over here. I have some magnolia seed pods from a southern magnolia. Some of these things I don't even know what they are. I'll tell you that right now. But I do know that this is a torch ginger seed pod, and it's got an amazing flower. Surprise when you see what the flower looks like. Over here I've got different kinds of palm tree nuts. Over here, these are hickory, and I've done some drawings of the hickory plenty of times. This is a pine cone, which when it's closed and you keep it outside, it's like that. And then I brought this one in the other day, and when it gets warm, I guess it opens up. So you learn so much by collecting these things and just observing them. I've got a sacred lotus here, also has an amazing flower. Eucalyptus, that you can find in many tropical locations and all over the world. Common acorns that we have here from oak trees, and then horse chestnut nuts. And many of the nuts have an outer shell and then an inner shell. So it's common to get them both ways. Over here, this is kind of fun. When I first collected this pod many years ago in a tropical location, I didn't know what it was, but I did a drawing of it, and I titled the drawing Mystery Pod at the time, because I didn't know what it was, but now I do. It's a mahogany seed pod. And there it is, and when it's open, it's got lots and lots of seeds that are inside it that you can see in here. So I invite you guys to all go out there, find some nuts and seed pods, start a collection, and they make great subjects for drawing all year long.